Autocare Microfiber Wax Applicator. Ultra soft microfiber wax applicator pads with finger pocket wax applicator for cars. Wax applicator foam sponge, blue, 5. Soft and absorbent, Autocare microfiber wax applicator pads are made with premium 70/30ths blended microfiber for ultimate softness, absorbency and longevity. So they can work great for applying waxes, sealants, glazes, dressings and more. No scratches. These premium wax applicator pads are inside stitched 2 times to ensure that the edges never touch the surface of your paint, meanwhile reducing surface scratches and improving the application of product. Durable and reusable, these microfiber wax applicator pads can be rewashed over and over again for multiple uses, thus eliminating the need for the constant purchases of disposable products. Convenient, there is a sizable finger pocket on the wax applicator pads so that you can easily and conveniently use them to spread glaze, sealant, wax, or dressing on any car, truck, motorcycle, or RV. 100% machine washable. Click the link in the description to get this product.